Are you looking for a smarter way to discover your personal style and shop for clothes that truly fit you? I'll walk you through the Lumi App, a powerful AI-driven styling and shopping platform designed to make finding your perfect outfit easier than ever. Whether you want personalized recommendations, virtual try-ons, or expert advice, let's dive in and see how Lumi can transform your shopping experience.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. First of all, you can download the official Lumi app on your device. Be aware that for now, this application is available only on iOS devices and not on Android phones. For that, you can either click on the link in the description or just type Lumi Styling and Shopping on the App Store, and then you will find this application. It has an overall 4.1 star rating. So now, let's download it on our device. After the download is done, open it and this will be the interface. Click on Continue. Then you will need to sign up using your email ID. Once you are logged in, it shows that Lumi offers a 28-day styling discovery plan. This plan will bring clarity about your dressing style, and then you can get the outfit that actually fits you. You will get a lifestyle and interest-related quiz, and the AI technology will figure out the best possible combinations for your body type. You need to be careful while filling out this quiz. Here you can see it is asking about your main focus. Let's go with Define My Style for now. Then you can select the topics you are interested in. Let's select these three options. Then give your age and your lifestyle. Let's select Social from here. From here, you can select the style that best suits you. You can also go with I don't know if you have no clue about this. Then choose your favorite colors. Then you can choose any clothing you avoid, fashion brands you prefer, your eye color, hairstyle, your body shape, etc. Then you need to give your height, weight, and other body measurements. Then you will be on the home page of the Lumi application where you see the results based on your lifestyle and preferences you have mentioned. As you can see, I had selected some personal style for myself. Although this application is designed for women only, I have selected just some patterns to show you how this application works. On the top here, you see R class. This is the body type that I had selected while giving the quiz. And this is the true summer, the type of dress that I wanted. You can also go to the profile, and here you can go to the personal info. Here you see your lifestyle and interests. You can change these options anytime, and you can also change the options for eye color, hair length, etc. You can also change the sizes. Be mindful while selecting these sizes because based on these sizes, the dresses you see on the home page are shown according to your measurements. You can also change the style preferences whenever you want to. So let's go with the similar styles and size preferences and then explore some of the most popular clothes. For example, when you go to the most popular clothes, you see a bunch of them. A lot I mean, and you can select one of the styles. For example, if you like this one, you can just click there and here you see the dress. I can scroll down and you can see the dress.
Now what I can do is click this Like option and it will store it for myself. Or I can select the Dislike option and it will not appear in my search bar again. But let me go with Like. Now here you see you have an Add to Bag option and a Try On option. I click on Try On, and what it will do is the AI system will automatically try these clothes on you before you even purchase them. I think this is one of the best features of this tool. So you can simply select this picture, and once you select that, in a moment it will apply those dresses on your picture. You can click Continue, and it will apply the selected dress on your image, and then you can figure out whether that suits you or not. So here you can see the dress has been applied on the image I had provided, and from here you can figure out whether it suits you or not. Depending on that, you can then either purchase this dress or not. In a similar way, you can select all these dress types on yourself and then figure out which ones suit you better. When we go to the home page again, here you see there are some latest updates as well, which are the latest edit designs and some Lumi recommended features or styles that you can see and also apply on yourself before purchasing them. Another good thing is you can also book a call to share your feedback and get 50% off on shopping on Lumi. You can book a call with their product marketing manager and talk to them regarding your dress or your style type. Another good thing is this chat icon here. When you click there, there is this AI stylist. What this AI stylist does is, for example, you can have a chat with this AI stylist to get more ideas about your dressing style. You can also go to the shopping option next to the home page and type any style or item you want to buy. Similarly, you can type for any dress type and you will get the results, and based on that result, you can check on yourself and select whether you want to purchase it or not. So this is how you can use the Lumi application, and when you have any problem, you can just click on this support system here, select the topic, or go to Contact Us and write whatever problem you have. So yeah, overall, it seems a very decent application, which combines your styling with easy selectable clothing options, and you can purchase them from here. The best thing is the AI integration, which you can use to try on the dress, and based on that, it will select a specific style that fits your body type, skin tone, and eye color. You also get professional support from the product marketing manager, and the AI stylist is always there to help you with your style selections. However, the price is a bit higher, I would say, for people who prefer cheap clothes, so it's for people who can afford this much amount. So I think that's it. Hope you liked the video. Take care. Try it out using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Guru Tech Solutions, and share your thoughts. See you next time.